everyone, I'm Nehal. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad you're here. I would just request a little bit of your time for you to go and subscribe to my channel. So as you must have read by the title, I'm going to talk about the manifestations of 2025 and the vision board that I had created back in December 2024. And today I have something incredible to share with you guys. And honestly, I'm still wondering how fast the universe actually works. So we're just 2 weeks into January 2025 and 3 of my manifestations, yes, 3 of my manifestations have already come true. I mean, I just feel that, universe loves me a lot. Let me tell you a little secret. This is actually the first time that I've ever worked on a vision board, and for me to see the fact that, 3 of them have already come true is definitely a feeling which is out of the world, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. I know कि मैं vision board videos को लेके थोड़ा late हूँ. I actually wanted to shoot a video before the year started, but due to some reason वो हो नहीं पाया, and here I am with 3 manifestations that have already come true. So I think this is a more powerful video. I think a more encouraging video to the ones who have not yet made a vision board. I've always believed in the power of manifestation, but to see it actually come true is something that I am still in awe of. So before I get into telling you guys what are the manifestations that came true, I would like to show you a glimpse of my vision board, which is right here. So I've been having this as the wallpaper of my phone since I think 14th or 15th of December. So it was late at night, and I was just seeing a lot of vision board reels on Instagram. जैसे आपने भी देखा होगा बहुत सारे ट्रेंडिंग रील्स आ रहे थे that people are going on vision board dates कि वो लोग जाके बैठ के साथ में विजन बोर्ड्स बना रहे हैं. There are a bunch of girls who are having a girls night in at home. They're having a fancy sleepover जिसमें वो लोग विजन बोर्ड्स बना रहे हैं. तो I was like, let's see what the thing is all about. And of course, over the past few years, I had been seeing people who have been making vision boards. मुझे भी ऐसा लगा कि मुझे बनाना चाहिए. So one fine night before sleeping, I was like, कि मैं भी क्यों ना बनाऊं. And I was like, देखो मैं vision board तो नहीं बना रही, because I just didn't want to, क्योंकि मैंने कभी किया नहीं था. So I didn't want to, place an entire board somewhere in my house or in my office or whatever. So I was like कि ठीक है. I wanted to keep seeing it to see if it actually works. तो मैंने उसको अपना फोन का वॉलपेपर बना लिया था. I researched कि how am I actually supposed to make a vision board, because I did not want to put in anything and everything. I wanted it to make sense कि अगर कोई थर्ड पर्सन देखे भी तो उसको ऐसा ना लगे कि यार ये तो बहुत अनरियलिस्टिक है. And yes, the main thing that I learned or that I saw or I read about vision boards is that you're supposed to gather photos or you're supposed to make something जिससे आपको लगे कि आप वो कर सकते हो. That everything needs to be very, very realistic. I can just not, put in something that is very unrealistic. So, universe भी सोचेगा कि are you mad? So yeah, I mean, I did think of a few things जो मुझे करनी है, जो मुझे बहुत टाइम से भी करनी थी. So I was like, why not put it all in my vision board? One by one, I'm just going to tell you कि मेरे vision board में क्या क्या चीजें थी, and in the end, I'm going to reveal कि उनमें से क्या क्या चीजें 3 ही हुई है. But the fun fact is that we're not even half a month in the first month of the year. So I feel कि 3 manifestations out of I think 13-14 जितनी भी है पूरी होना is a very very big deal for me. कुछ भी चीजें विजन बोर्ड को माइंड में रखते हुए नहीं हुई थी. Everything happened very organically. Just giving you guys a disclaimer कि ये बिल्कुल भी वीडियो बनाने के पर्पज से या फ्लॉन्ट करने के पर्पज से कुछ भी नहीं किया गया है. Everything happened extremely organically, and if you think of it, it actually happened because I kept looking at that particular photo 20, 30, 50 times every day for the past 1 month. And yes, and now I do believe in the power of manifestation a lot. I always did and I always will. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the main concept of me making a vision board was to release it in the universe that I want to travel, I want to grow in my career, I want to be recognized for the hard work that I'm doing, to have a good health, and all of those things. So let's start off with what I had put into my vision board for 2025, and let's start off with traveling, because I am someone who loves to travel. Traveling actually makes me really, really happy. For traveling, things that I've added in my vision board are very, very realistic and they have a meaning to it. So if I start off with Dubai, there's a photo of a girl standing in Dubai, and Dubai is something that I've been wanting to visit since a very, 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 very long time. For the people who don't know, I have not really traveled abroad. I have traveled only to Bali. And I really, really wish to take another international trip. And I want it to be Dubai because I've heard a lot of good things about the place and I really want to explore. So yeah, that's that. The next is Kerala. So I am someone who's been brought up in Chennai, and Kerala is one of the most beautiful places. It's been really long that I've been there, and I really wish to go back and explore more things, which I probably missed out the last time that I went. So Kerala it is, and then this cruise, I really want to explore a cruise. I've heard really, really good things about it, the fun that people have had, and the activities that's there on a cruise. And I'm sure that's going to be an amazing experience. So I really want to, explore a cruise in 2025. And the next is Amritsar. The last time I had gone to Amritsar was in 2019 December, and since then I've been actually wanting to go back because I just feel very peaceful. I've been there only twice, and the peace and the kind of energies that that place has. So I really, really wanted to visit that in 2025. And now coming to personal goals, I really wish to have long and healthy hair. When I was a kid, I had such long and healthy hair, but obviously you grow and things change, and the hair that I have right now, I am not at all satisfied. I've been working on it, and yes, I can see a lot of improvement. I really wish to have long and healthy hair this year, which I'm definitely going to work upon. I don't think that I take care of myself a lot, but yes, this year I really, really want to make myself a priority in every sense and work on being the best version of myself. Then there's a photo of a watch with 10,000 steps, which obviously indicates that I want to have a healthy lifestyle. I want to make sure that I work out. If not work out daily, I want to at least complete 10,000 steps, which means that I will have to go for a walk, and I'm sure that I'm going to do that. Today is 10th of January when I'm shooting this video, and अभी इन 10 दिनों में तो मैं walk पे गई नहीं हूँ, but I'm definitely going to make sure that at least for the majority of the year I have a record of 10,000 steps every single day. Then there's a photo of a girl meditating. I am someone who has not really meditated a lot in life, but whenever I did feel a lot of peace in me, and I really want to continue this because somewhere or the other it actually calms you down. And what I feel, or what I have personally experienced, is that when I am mentally calm, I work a lot better. I don't know if that's the case with most of you. If yes, do let me know in the comments. But yes, I really, really want to meditate, and I want to make sure that I take care of my mental health as much as I take care of everything else. So I'm definitely going to make this a priority this year. The next is that, I want to read a lot. I want to focus on my work, because there are times when I actually take my work for granted, and I really want to make sure that this year I don't do that at all. At the end of the day, my work is something that represents me, right? So maybe YouTube. I know I've not been active on YouTube, and I know I don't have a lot of subscribers right now, but I think consistency is the key. This is the second week of the year, and this is the second video of the year, so I think great start. And I'm gonna make sure that I post at least one video per week, if not much, but I'll try to post 2 at times. Here and there if possible, but yes, one video per week is going to be there for sure. And yeah, as I said, that consistency is the key. So I do have a photo of a silver play button. I know this is a lot to ask for, but I don't think this is a very unrealistic goal. मुझे डालते हुए ऐसा लग रहा था that I think I'm being a bit unrealistic, but you never know. If I stay consistent, I do everything I think the hard work and the consistency never fails you. So I'm going to be consistent and I'm going to make sure that I get 100k subscribers this year and I get the silver play button. I'm going to work really, really hard for that. And for that, I need your support. So keep supporting me and keep loving me the way you always have. I would really appreciate it. And you know I love you guys. I have like two quotes that I really resonate with. One is never give up. The second is the bravest thing you can be is yourself. This is just to remind myself that, you know, I have a lot of missions to complete in 2025. I have a lot of goals to complete in 2025 and I cannot give up on anything. And I should not give up on anything because at the end of the day, my success depends upon my hard work. So I don't think giving up on anything is an option whatsoever. The moment I call myself brave, the moment I tell myself that I'm a brave woman, that gives me a lot of strength to fight each and everything that comes my way, may it be emotionally, mentally, or anything. I also have a picture of an award because obviously, like, I'm talking about hard work, I'm talking about dedication. So I think this should have a result somewhere or the other, and being recognized for what you're doing or being recognized for the hard work that you've done, I think getting rewarded for it is the best thing ever. I think it puts all your hard work together and it gives you a lot of satisfaction, at least me. Because if you're recognized for something that you are doing, if you're recognized for something that you've worked hard on, I think there's no better feeling than that. And such things definitely make your parents proud. They make your friends proud. They make your families proud. So yeah, I feel I should, like, you know, if I'm deserving enough, I really want to be recognized. And yeah, I think this is just the manifestation for that. Now, last but not the least, I have like two luxury things that I've added in my vision board, which is one ring. I really wanted to get myself a diamond ring because I think for me it symbolizes love, commitment, and self-worth. Because obviously, for all the time that I've put into the things that I love, I feel I should be rewarded, and I want to do this for myself. I really want to get a diamond ring made for me. So yeah, this is something that I really wanted to do in 2025 because I feel that, you know, you are your own cheerleader. So the more you pamper yourself, the happier you will be. That's what I feel. Yes, there are people in my life to pamper me and, you know, to make sure that I'm always happy. But I feel that, you know, at times I should pamper myself too. This is just a little step for that. The second thing that I have on my vision board is a luxury belt or a luxury item in general. When it comes to luxury, luxury brands are extremely expensive. I'm sure this is something that I don't need to express because everyone already knows that. I settled for a photo of a belt in my vision board because I did not want to make it very unrealistic and post a photo of a huge bag or a huge tote bag or whatever, because I know that's something that I don't think I am ready to invest in right now. Touch wood, if God wants, then why not? And now we are at the time when I actually disclose कि out of all these things from my vision board, मेरा क्या क्या पूरा हुआ है. So like I mentioned, there are 3 manifestations that came true just in the first half of the first month of the year. The first one being, I'm sure जो भी Instagram पे connected है मेरे साथ, they already know. I went to Amritsar last week. I mean, प्लान ऐसे बना. तो जैसे मैंने बताया था कि 14 या 15 दिसंबर को मैंने अपना वॉलपेपर लगाया था. And I had been wanting to go to Amritsar since 5 years. इन 5 सालों में ऐसे इतने opportunities आए मेरे पास, but for some reason or the other वो execute ही नहीं हो पाया, वो plan ही कभी नहीं बन पाया. Every second, third month we used to plan कि चलो अमृतसर चलते हैं, लेकिन वो कभी हुआ ही नहीं. On 29th or 30th, I was just sitting with my family and random plan बना. I was like, यार जो 5 साल से नहीं हो पाया वो instant plan कैसे बन गया? But I'm very, very grateful to the universe. On second, we were in Amritsar. Can you believe it? I mean, I was literally in tears when I saw Golden Temple. The feeling was surreal. I don't think that I can put it into words. कि वो कितनी प्योर और कितनी स्पेशल फीलिंग थी, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्रेस इट. The vibe, the energies, everything there is so pure. The fact that one of it actually came true in the first 15 days of me putting it as a wallpaper was something that still blows my mind. I mean, I still question myself, how is it actually possible? But I'm very grateful कि ये हुआ. This was the photo of my vision board, and this exact photo of me standing in the same spot on 2nd of January. I mean, so on to the second thing that I manifested. The second thing that came true was this ring. Yes, I finally got this ring made, and this is what it looks like. This was the photo that I had put up in my vision board, and this was the ring that I got made. I mean, the feeling is just something very different. I had thought about it कि हाँ मैं बनवाऊंगी, but everything happened so organically. I was just scrolling through Instagram. I saw a photo of a ring. I called my jeweler कि क्या ऐसा बन सकता है. And he was like हाँ बन जाएगा. And it was in my budget also. So I was like ठीक है बनवा दो फिर. I literally got the delivery yesterday, and I mean the similarity between both the rings and the fact that I actually got a diamond ring for myself. I mean मैंने सिर्फ vision board में डाला था कि मैं लूंगी इस साल. मतलब ठीक है ले लेंगे. But यार ले ली. आ गई and I'm wearing it. I mean, I'm just so blessed. Yeah, this was the second thing that came true, and one of the most special ones. And now I have saved the best for the last. Just a second. I know. This was a very impulsive buying, but one of the most special ones ever. While coming back to Jaipur from Amritsar, हम लोग मॉल गए थे. We had gone to DLF Emporio. I really wanted to go in and see, brands में क्या trending चल रहा है, what are the new launches. Not like I wanted to buy anything. ऐसे randomly, I was like चलो देख के आते हैं. I randomly saw Gucci का store. I was like ठीक है चलो. I had put a Gucci का belt as one of the things in the vision board. Not manifesting a Gucci belt in general. No, that was not my manifestation. कि मुझे Gucci की belt ही manifest करना है. That was not the thing. It was just कि एक luxury item. मैं लूंगी इस साल. ठीक है, Gucci के store में गए. I saw this section of belts. I was like चलो अब मेरे को लेना तो है नहीं वैसे भी. तो I was like कि चलो ठीक है देख के आते हैं. फिर मुझे ना एक कोने में एक जो Gucci की signature belt है like this. मैंने ये देखी. तो मैंने देखा कि बहुत मोटा वाला वर्जन है वो बेल्ट का, एंड मुझे पतला वाला देखना था. So I asked the sales girl वहाँ पे, I was like, I want to see the thinner version of this belt because the belt is too thick. तो कहती है, we have it in our store, let me just get it for you. I was like, ठीक है. मैं meanwhile बाकी की और चीजें देख रही हूँ, मस्त घूम रही हूँ स्टोर के अंदर, इतनी luxurious vibe आ रही है. वो बंदी लेके आई, and it was love at first sight. I was like, dude, this is something that I really want. एंड मैं उस टाइम पे भी ये नहीं था कि मैं अभी लूंगी. आई वाज लाइक आई विल सेव अप फॉर इट थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा, एंड तब जब व्हेनेवर आई एम इन दिल्ली नेक्स्ट मैं तब आके लूंगी. या व्हेनेवर आई गो टू दुबई, हाउ आई एम मैनिफेस्टिंग कि मैं दुबई जाके ले लूंगी. थोड़ा बहुत तो सस्ता मिल ही जाएगा. तो वो बेल्ट लाई, भाई मेरे को बेल्ट से प्यार हो गया. तो फिर अब क्या करें. आई वाज लाइक कि चलो ले लूं कि नहीं लूं कि नहीं लूं. And I was in the dilemma for at least half an hour, 45 minutes. I was so confused. Should I buy it? Should I not buy it? Should I come later and buy it? But later भी ऐसा होता है that obviously it's not in the same city. So I was very confused. And end में I was like, forget everything. I am getting it. देखी जाएगी. बाकी की चीजें देखी जाएगी. मैं तो ले रही हूँ. Because I do not want to have that इतना सा भी स्कोप ऑफ रिग्रेट कि यार मैं ले लेती, मैंने ली क्यों नहीं, बाद में तो लेनी है, अभी ले लेती. तो मुझे वो रिग्रेट नहीं करना था, एंड आई फाइनली गॉट इट. इट इज सो प्रिटी, इट इज सो गॉर्जियस. दिस इज द डब्बा. आई रियली विश दैट उन्होंने मुझे वो सिग्नेचर ग्रीन डब्बे में दिया होता, बट ठीक है. आई थिंक दिस चेरी रेड इज द कलर ऑफ द सीजन, तो उनकी पैकेजिंग भी उस हिसाब से है. एंड जस्ट see this. भाई मेरे को लग्जरियस वाइब ऐसे ही आ रही है बहुत ज्यादा. And this is what the belt looks. Oh, sorry, ulta. This is what the belt looks like. It is so royal. It feels so royal. Oh my god, I really can't express what I'm feeling right now. 2 लग्जरी चीजें थी मेरे विजन बोर्ड में, दोनों पूरी हो गई. एक चीज थी जो मैंने दिल से मांगी थी कि मुझे अमृतसर जाना है, वो पूरा हो गया. बट वन थिंग इज दैट यू रियली नीड टू वर्क हार्ड फॉर एवरीथिंग. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने विजन बोर्ड के अंदर डाला है और विजन बोर्ड देखते देखते आपकी चीजें पूरी हो जाएंगी. दैट्स नॉट हाउ इट वर्क्स. यू obviously have to work hard for it. You obviously have to work towards it, work towards getting a goal. The whole point of a vision board is to have something in front of you to motivate you to reach to that goal. Of course, that's how things work. इसकी मैंने by the way unboxing video डाली है. Go and check it out if you haven't yet. It's so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. इसमें ना उन्होंने मुझे एक full shiny चटाक shiny version भी दिखाया था. जो ऑब्वियसली बहुत ज्यादा फेक लग रहा था. मतलब अगर ऐसे ही पहन के निकल जाओ ना वो बेल्ट, सबको लगेगा कि ऐसे कोई फर्स्ट कॉपी या किसी रैंडम जगह से लिया है. बिकॉज इट वॉज लुकिंग सो बैड. आई एम सो सॉरी बट इट वॉज लुकिंग सो बैड. And this was a signature one, so I had to get this. I am sure कि most of you would be thinking कि यार बेल्ट ही तो है, like why is she making a big deal out of it? But dude, to get a luxury item so expensive, I feel कि I don't know, आप मेरी एक्साइटमेंट नहीं समझ पाओगे फिर if you're really not getting it, because it shows and it proves how hard you're working for it, or how hard you're working to get to where you really want to be, or how hard you're working to build a good lifestyle for yourself. Obviously, I feel in today's day, your lifestyle depends upon you. I think every single person has become so self-independent financially, mentally, emotionally. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि you know, at the end of the day, you are earning for yourself. You're earning for your own happiness. So why not make yourself happy? And that was the same thought while buying this belt. So yeah, I am super grateful for everything that the universe has given me, that the universe has to give me in the future. And yes, this is a sign for you to make a vision board for yourself if you haven't already. 2025 has just started. You still have a lot of time to achieve, a lot of time to manifest whatever you want this year. Let's set a goal together. And I really wish from the bottom of my heart that all your manifestations and all your wishes come true. That's it for this video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love you.